Emulator Detected issue on Interlink, 100% solution. Welcome to the third video of our InterLink Lab Network series. We're quite sure, in fact, 100% certain, that what brought you here is something you've been searching for over the past few hours, days, or even weeks. During the facial video verification step of InterLink Lab registration, millions of users, including you, have encountered a frustrating error that says, "Possible emulator detected." And once this message appears, it just won't go away, right? It completely blocks your registration process. You've tried everything you know. Maybe you've already watched several YouTube videos and even tried their silly suggestions, like keep trying and the error will go away automatically, change your phone, try latest model mobile, restart the device, and several others. But still, no solid solution. Well, your search ends here. You've finally reached the right video.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
Reminder, referral code. Before we dive into the solution, I strongly recommend watching the previous two videos in this series for better context and a smoother journey. You can click this I button above to access the InterLink Lab Network series playlist. Also, a quick but important reminder. Entering a referral code in the InterLink Lab Network is mandatory. Without it, you won't be able to start mining at all. If you haven't completed this step yet, do it first. Here's how. Tap the account menu at the top right corner of the app. Now, tap the Referral tab. Then, tap Submit Now. In the field provided, enter this referral code, 041456. Tap Submit. That's it. You're done. Now, let's move towards emulator detection error. What does emulator detection error means? First, understand what the emulator detection error means. An emulator detection error means the Interlink app thinks you're using a fake or virtual mobile device instead of a real one. Example: imagine trying to register on Interlink using a PC or Google TV with Android emulator. The app may block you thinking rightly it's not a real phone. InterLink Lab Network clearly blocks all such attempts. Their policy is simple. They don't want anyone, any bot, any hacker, to exploit system loopholes by creating multiple accounts, using tricks or emulators, mining unfairly, and collecting an unjust amount of ITLGs. Interlink believes in fairness. One person, one mobile phone, one account. That's it. And thus the emulator detection is a security feature to block bots, hackers, or simply exploiters. Real phones, real people, still getting blocked? Here's a real question. Why is it that millions of genuine users using all kinds of real mobile devices are still getting this emulator error on Interlink? Well, the truth is, this looks like a serious flaw in how the Interlink app detects emulators. Interlink may be using an overly strict or outdated detection system that wrongly flags real phones as virtual devices. Devices with certain chipsets like MediaTek or lower-end models may be misread due to technical signals, even if they're perfectly fine. What if I told you that once this issue appears, you may never get rid of it? Wait, don't be disappointed. Still, you can proceed and successfully complete the facial video verification despite it. Surprised? Yes, that's right. Even with this error on the screen, the Interlink app luckily doesn't block the process. It continues to respond to our actions and gives instructions like center the face, look up, look down, etc. So we won't waste time trying to fix or remove the error. We'll simply ignore it and we'll try to complete the facial video verification through the space that's still visible. Simple hack, just common sense. That is being ignored by millions, is it? Preparations before entering facial video verification process. But here's a little risk. You don't get many chances. If the Interlink app notices that you're trying repeatedly to do facial video verification while the emulator detection error is still on the screen, it might block you forever. Now we'll apply two simple settings to help Interlink trust our phone and not treat it like running in an emulator environment. This step is important because even if the emulator warning appears during video verification, Interlink will still let you continue. Allowing permissions. Firstly, allowing permissions of different utilities to the Interlink app. Tap and hold the Interlink icon until a menu appears. Select App Info. You can also reach this from your phone settings. Now go to Permissions and allow the following one by one: Camera, Files and Media, Location, Microphone, and Phone. Although these permissions are safe to allow during the verification process, once your face video has been successfully verified, you can go back and revoke all of them except the phone permission. Switching off USB DeBugging. Secondly, ensuring USB DeBugging is off. Go to your phone settings, then scroll all the way down to find an option named System or Advanced Settings, depending on your phone's brand. Inside that menu, look for Developer Options. If you don't see it, don't worry. It's hidden by default on most phones. To make it appear, go back and tap on About Phone or My Phone, whichever your device shows. Now, scroll down until you find Build Number. Start tapping it repeatedly, usually 7 times. If prompted, enter your device, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Once done, go back and reopen System Settings. Now you'll see Developer Options visible in the list. Tap to open it, scroll down, and find USB DeBugging. If it's already turned off, good to go. If it's ON, switch it off. After that, scroll back up and turn off the main Developer Options toggle from the top. This hides all developer settings again and ensures your phone returns to normal user mode. That's it. USB DeBugging is now fully disabled. Here, I would like to clarify. If for any reason you are unable to disable USB DeBugging or you can't access developer options at all, don't get disappointed. Just skip this step. The permissions you have granted to Interlink may still be sufficient and work perfectly fine. Now, everything is ready. It's time to move to the next step, starting the facial video verification, even if the emulator detection error is still showing on the screen. Facial video verification. Before proceeding, make sure you're not wearing a mask, cap, or hat. You're not wearing glasses. You're in a well-lit area. The light source is in front of you, not behind. No one else is visible with you. Your background is clean and simple. Avoid things like photo frames or posters. Your mobile phone is fully charged and its screen brightness is set to maximum. Now, tap and open the Interlink app. Then, open the account menu by tapping the top left icon. Next, tap on Not Verified Yet. At this point, the app will ask for permission to take pictures and record video. You must allow this. Otherwise, the verification process will be canceled. So, tap Allow using the app. And here it is. The facial video verification screen has appeared, but it's still half covered with the emulator detection error. Don't worry. Since we've already completed all the preparations, we'll proceed confidently alongside it. You might have noticed Your face is still dimly visible behind the error message, right inside the oval circle, correct? Did you also notice the app instructions like "No face," "Center your face," or "Bring your face closer to the camera"? Yes, although faint, they're still visible. That means, despite the emulator detection error, the app is still responding to your face. Now, just follow the on-screen directions carefully and complete the facial video verification process. The on-screen directions you might receive during the process include: "No face, center your face. Bring your face closer to the camera face, right or left, and hold a while. Face up or face down. Move your hand away. Remove glasses. Remove mask. Wait while we verify your identity." You might receive repeated messages like "failure" or "try again" during the process. But there's nothing to worry about. Since we've made all the right preparations, you can safely make multiple reattempts without any fear or risk of getting blocked. And that's it. The app is now verifying the identity. This may take a few minutes. It's done. Just tap Continue, and you're in. We've successfully cleared the hurdle where millions of users are still stuck. Once completed, your verification status will update, and you'll see here, "I am a human, verified by face scan." For your convenience, like holding the mobile phone steadily or quickly reading out on-screen directions, you can take help from a family member or friend. But be cautious. They should not be visible on the screen. Mining ITLGs. Now, when all is set up, it's time to start mining of ITLGs. Tap on this tab to start your first mining session. And here it is. We've successfully started mining ITLG tokens, the native cryptocurrency of Interlink Network. So that's it. Your Interlink account is now fully registered, the gateway to a truly human-first crypto journey. Username customization. Next, let's do a bit of customization. This is your username. The last part of it contains your Interlink ID, which cannot be changed, but the first part, taken from your Gmail account, can be edited. To customize it, tap on this pencil icon. Here, I'll change the name to match my brand. DIGITDON. Our username has now been successfully updated. Dear friends, in the last 3 videos, I worked really hard to help you set up your Interlink account step by step. And I know many of you have already succeeded. But let me tell you, your journey has just begun. Keep mining Interlink regularly. And yes, don't forget Pi as well. If you found these videos helpful, please encourage me by subscribing to my channel, dropping a comment, and sharing these videos with others. And if you want me to make a video on any specific crypto topic, just let me know in the comments. I'll try my best to cover it for you. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay connected with DIGITDON.